Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I just want to talk about affiliate marketing and I will show you how you can earn a lot of money through affiliate marketing. And other than that, I will also show you my analytics, like how much I am earning from last 1 year or 2 years. So if you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. I hope many of you are already familiar with affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing, you just have to promote a link through your social media and you have to get a lot of referrals as much as possible. And in affiliate marketing, there is no any specific methods of getting the money. Like in most of the affiliate marketing, you will get commissions of your sales, and some of the affiliate marketing programs will directly give you a specific amount of money on the sales. Okay, so I will tell you all about that in detail. So first of all, let me show you my profile from here. So I have already joined Partner Stack, and here if I'll show you my analytics, then here you can see that for up to now I have got 15 sales and my conversion rate is this, and I have got $77 and my pending rewards are this. Okay, and basically Partner Stack is a kind of website where a lot of affiliate programs are there. Like you can join any kind of programs. So let me just show you in the marketplace. First of all, you just have to create an account on Partner Stack. Okay, and after that you can just go to the marketplace and you can join any affiliate program as you want. Okay, so here you can see there are different affiliate programs and these are the commission rates of different programs. Okay, and you can just join any of these programs. So here you can see I have already joined the Omnisend program. Okay, and my status is active. So these are all the analytics about my profile. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how you can create a profile on Partner Stack and how you can join this marketplace and you can earn passive income. So stay connected with me and see you in the next video.